Hi, want to rock a bandana like Tupac? Today I'm showing you how to do it step by step. You see that iconic 90s styles that you see in music videos or even in streetwear? Today we're going to be doing it together from the start to the end. And as we dive into that, please make sure you like this video, shares out there. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know what? It is the YouTube babe right here. It has it, Maureen. My name is Maureen. Well, for the things that you need, it's maybe a flat surface whereby you're going to be placing your amazing bandana on, or just do it on air like me. And the other thing you need is your bandana. I'm using this amazing bandana because you know it's all about the iconic thing here, because you know that's what Tupac is all about. So as we get and dive into that, make sure you do watch to the very end because I want to show you also explain to you how you can achieve all these. That is, make sure that you watch to the very end because I'll also be giving you bonus tips, bonus links, and also showing you how you can ensure that bandana stays on your head the whole day or night. And by the way, don't mind my hair, it's just one of those bad hair days. Did I mention that you can also have a mirror so that you can look at yourself and see how that style is going. Let me just place mine well so that I can see what I'm telling you guys. So pick your bandana like this, okay, place it on your flat surface like that, and then make sure that the side in which the sewing is being seen faces to the top. Then pick that end and place it all the way to this corner, and then you have a shape like that. Okay, are we together to that point? You have something like that. And then the next thing, with your bandana still placed on your flat area, pick the end that is our tip, the sharpest point. We have this one, but the one at the middle, and then place it all the way towards this straight side like that. And then you have something amazing like that. Okay, because you know today's video it's all been amazing. So the next thing you do, this size is too big, so I'm going to show you how you can actually tie it in two ways. The first way is how to fold a bandana with it in medium size. This is the large size, and how to fold a bandana in the small size. And then from there you can actually choose the style that you're going to go for. Okay, you can also tell me in the comment section the one that you love most. So with it in this large size, you do the next thing, which is make another fold. Okay, make another fold from this side to this side. Wait a minute, we need to also ensure that the most beautiful side is the one that will be on our forehead. So let's do that. Fold it like that, and then that is our medium size. Okay, that is our medium size. If you look at your bandana, you have the side in which we have these, what is this, the foldings, okay, being seen, and then we have this other side whereby the foldings are not being seen. Okay, with that noted, now make sure the side in which this that looks the mouth let's call it a bandana's mouth is like that, is at the back. Okay, it's facing the back of your head. Okay, like this, but now from the back side. So let's take it to the back. This is the side that I'll be placing on my head from the back. In this case, you can see that this knot of mine is interfering with my hair. So what you can do or choose to do is release your hair, let go of your hair, or just hold it a little bit at the bottom. Let's try and place it below, yeah, or we can choose to just place it below your hairs like that, like what I have done. So one option is let go of your hair, or make your hair, wherever you've held your hairband to be a little bit higher. You can place it here, it will also look amazing, or below. Once you place it below, then the bandana will be above. Okay, somewhere here, because now the folding or your hairband will be right here. Are we getting it up to that point? So make sure that you straighten it out before making any knot or any more adjustments. So we have it like that. So with it like that, you see my ears are on the inside. You can choose to have your ears out or inside, but in my case I have chosen to have it inside. Okay loves, the next thing you do now is making that knot. There is my knot, and imagine, make it like that. You've placed your bandana above your eyebrows and all, and then up to this point you can actually choose, if you're holding your hair like this, you can release it afterwards. There are so many ways of killing a rat, there are so many ways of achieving this style. Anyways, as we continue, please make sure that you do like this video, share out there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, tell someone about this channel, just tell them, you know what, is this channel that I saw somewhere. Anyways, the next thing that we need to do in this particular case is oh my god, my thread is going, oh my goodness me. With it like that, now I want to show you the small size. You have, if you're having your bandana in the small size, you're not going to undo the bandana all the way from the beginning to the end and everything. You're just going to fold the bandana like Tupac by just folding it a little bit. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh my god guys, my thread is going my way against me. So like this, the side that has the more foldings, you just fold once again, and then you have a smaller size. I don't know which size you prefer. Is it the first one or this one? So the same process, you just place the bandana. Oh my god, look at that thread going against me. Anyway, now in this case, since it's small, the chances of the bandana being above the on the ears are not that much, so to be just right there, and then you make your fold like that. Okay, and if you want it to stay onto your head like the entire day, all the entire time, you can always add in another knot, and voila, now this one now looks exactly like Tupac's. But for my case, let's see, let me tell you which one I prefer most. Depending on my hairstyle, I would actually go for the medium size. I like the small size, but it looks good and amazing with your ears out and all. But let me just switch back to my preference, because I might be staying like that for the day. So switching back is just undoing it like that and making that knot. So like that. You look good, baby. Yeah, I know. And then like that, smoothing it out, making a second knot. This side or this side, which one do you prefer? Anyways, sorry guys, I've been distracted a little bit with my thread. So we were saying, which one do we actually prefer? We did like this on this side or this way. Let me see, this way, by making the knot that way. You know, the way you make the knot determines how your final product is going to look like. So how is that? Yeah, like that. It doesn't stay like this, but if you want something like flowery and all, that is what we have. But if not, this is what we have. Now for Tupac exact, it's like that. For my Dorito, like more whatever, it's like that. Okay, so anyways guys, if you watched this far, thank you so much. Thank you. You're going to find more tutorials in the description, areas hair and beauty. Okay, and future we are going to introduce vlogs. Anyways, also, I don't know, just rate the hairstyle at the style for the day. Tell me how you chose. Is your hair down? Tell me all the stuff. Was it helpful? Blah blah blah. Yeah, what would you want me to show you next time, by the way. Anyway, thank you so much. Click right here to watch more videos. Let's catch up on the next one. I love you. Right here.